Hello folks, this is Maritime Crypto. So today it's Thursday, November 23rd, 2017, and we're going to do another video about ICOs. As you know, November is coming to an end, so it's time to start shopping for new ICOs for December to invest in. So I've been looking around and trying to find ICOs that are a good match for my strategy, which is to get the coin at a low price and wait it out until the price goes to a certain point, and that allows me to start a loan at least at the second tier on their landing platform. So the ICO has to have a landing platform, so that's one something that I'm interested in, and the reason for that is because I want to get a daily have a daily revenue stream. And the landing platform allows to do that. And so I want to wait then for the coin to reach a certain price so I can start the loan at the second tier, and then use the rest of the coins to resell some of them to recover my capital, plus have some profit. And then if there's any coins left, see what to do with them. So maybe put them in another loan, or just trade them out, or just to hold them, do whatever. So that's my strategy for ICOs. So looking for ICOs, looking around, I came across this new ICO, this new coin, Legendcoin. So right off the bat, I love the name Legend. So Legendcoin, that's pretty that's pretty good name. I like it. So that's a plus right there. Just right off the bat for me, it's a plus to get this coin. So the pre-sale starts in 7 days, so there's still time. So you don't have to rush right away, but you can register using the link below and open an account, and you can already send Bitcoin, so you can reserve your Bitcoin in this platform. So when it comes on the pre-sale, when it starts, you have the funds there. As you know, Bitcoin is a little bit unreliable right now because when 1 hour is working great, the fees are low, and then the next the fees are just crazy, and it just takes days for the transactions to complete. So I think the sooner you send the money to the platform, the better. So at least the money is there, so it's reserved, and you don't have to worry about the Bitcoin network. Now, why do I like this platform? Let's take a look here and review this site. So it's called Legendcoin, and so a great opportunity. Actually, Legendcoin gives you a big opportunity in the cryptocurrency revolution. So they say it's the king of all coins. And what's Legendcoin? So resolution against risks. We have equipped all long-term strategic plans, protection and safety, whole life insurance, building a solid financial foundation, guarantee assets for investors. So I'm not too sure what this means. Anyway, so this is really just fluff in my opinion. So anyway, it's there. You can read it if you want. So we got the roadmap, so right off the bat. So December 2017, they're going to start with their coin offering, technical feasibility assessment, DOS attack protection, web wallet. So this is actually a pretty nice web wallet. So they already have 2 check marks here, so it's coming in. December, they don't mention the pre-sale. All right, so in January they're going to begin their landing program. So that's usually what happens with these ICOs. They start with a pre-sale, and then with a crowd sale that usually takes a month, and then they start with a full platform. So beginning the landing program, trading on the internal exchange, trading on coin exchange, so that's an external exchange, so that's pretty good. Trading on Ubit, that's another exchange platform. And finally, have a target price of $25. That's awesome. So these are also great news. So right off the bat, you can expect, or they expect, to have the price at $25. If I could get the price here low, below $1, it's a win for me already. So in January, I can start easily a loan, 1 or 2 loans, and still recover my capital. That's my strategy. Then February and March, they're going to list it on CoinMarketCap. They're going to have their mobile wallet, smart contracts, target price, then it's $50 on the second quarter. So April, May, security, optimizing website, product launch, marketing and acquisitions. So by the fourth quarter, so in about a year, they have a target price of $250. But again, this is great news for those that are long-term holders that like to keep their coins tight in their wallet, either staking, just sitting there. Then they can have a goal of having it reach $250. So that's pretty impressive. So Legend wallet, so they plan on having that on mobile devices, so that's great. And here's the gist of the crowd sale. So the maximum supply is 18 million coins, so not a whole lot of coins, so that's good to keep the price high. Crowd sale, they're going to have 6.5 million tokens sold, and the referral you earns 5%, so you get 5% coins for the referral bonus. So they're going to have 500,000 coins sold at 80 cents, so that's pretty good. The second sale is a little bit more coins at 85, 90, 95, so modest increases. So I mean, in any of these stages, getting in at any of these stages is great. The price is $1.05. It's not high, especially when they hope to get $25 by January. So it's not. It's really a great price. So I like it, and it starts at a good base, 80 cents. So they're just not trying to scam. So usually I get a little bit wary when a pre-sale starts, you know, with a low fee like 10 cents, 20 cents. It's kind of too low. It kind of gives me the vibe that they just want people to jump in, buy coins, so they can, and then at the end of the sale they just run away, because they never had any intention to do anything with the platform. So 80 cents kind of gives me the other impression that this is serious. So they need the capital. They're gonna use it to build this platform. So it's all good. How to trade? So we know how to trade, I believe. So we're all investors, so we should know how to trade. So you register the account, you deposit your Bitcoin, then you buy the LGC token in the exchange, and then you're trading and you get profits. Buy low, sell high. Simple as that. You can also stake your coins, so you can download the wallet. It's not active, the link, yet, but it probably will come. Deposit the coin, and then you earn profits, early income, 10%. It's a modest still earning, but if you're a long-term investor, it's available and it's gonna give you money. And then in a year time, the coin they expect it to be worth $250. So it's well worth it, I believe. And this is what interests me. So landing, so register the account, deposit Bitcoin, buy the LGC, and then we land. And this is great. So 45% interest rate monthly basis. So that's on the higher end. Usually the landing monthly pays 45 to 48. So this is great news. So that's pretty good. That's awesome. And then they have affiliate program like they all do. This one is a little bit different because they have 6 levels. The first level, so you get 5% bonus of the person that invests money, and then they have a matching bonus. So that's the matching bonus is when the reinvestments or the interest that the person earns of their investment, you also get 4% of that amount. So it's just a way. So this is great. So to build up a team, to motivate teams, to create teams. So if you would, I would appreciate if you could use my link, so that way you would be on my team. And if I get this extra cash, what I will do with it, I will certainly give it away. So I will do giveaways to give back to my subscribers, because I want to share this money. I don't. So please subscribe using my link, and I will make sure that this money will come back to the subscribers. And then we got here. So this is the platforms. This is another part that interests me about this platform, and why I'm interested in is the tiers are different. So the tier here for this one, the first one goes from $0 to $500. So this is great news. Usually the ICOs, these platforms, the tier goes from 100 to 1,000. So in this case, it's actually, you can start with a low as a $10. You can land it up to 500. So there's no binary bonus. You just get their volatility interest. And the capital release, this is another plus for this platform. This is why I like it. you get your capital within 100 days. So this is one of the shorter period terms that I can think of right now of all the platforms that I reviewed. So 100 days you get your money back. So that's 4 months, less than 4 months. So that's pretty great. And plus, if you invest from 510 up to 3,000, you get a volatility interest plus a 0.05% daily and a 2% binary bonus. This is relates to the referral program. So I guess depending how much money they have in on each platform, on each sponsor. So every person under you, depending how much money there is, you can get extra 2% or something. Again, this is great to build up a team and get some cash. And again, if you use my link and you are on my team, I will certainly make sure that this money comes back. And so then you have from 3,000 to 5,000. So another extra 0.10%, 0.20 up to 10,000, and 0.3 for the bigger amounts. So part of my strategy when I invest in these platforms, I do want to wait for the coin to reach a certain price, so I can usually jump on the second tier. So in this case, I want to jump on this tier anywhere from 510 to 3,000, so I can get the extra interest. In this case, I don't know. There's no advantage from being on this tier for the capital release. They're all the same. Other ICOs, they have different capital releases dates. So in this case, it's the same. So for this particular one, my interest is getting that extra interest rate. It just adds up on a daily basis. That's just extra cash that it's good to have. So that's what we got. So we got the roadmap. So we already look at it. They don't have a white paper yet, or at least I didn't see it. So it's probably coming up soon. So I expect it. So they have a presence on Facebook. So social media is working. So as you can see, they have it. So it's all good. Legend. So yeah, so it's there. They got Telegram presence, Twitter, YouTube. So all the links are active except for this here, and Slack. So Slack, they don't have it, and this one either. So this is all great. So I just want to show you now just to what the platform looks like. Keep showing. Let's see if I can get in. Dear our members, we are glad to inform you that the number of registered members has reached approximately 8,000 people. This is proof that our project is all your trust and support. At the same time, they realize there are quite a lot of accounts registered as a virtual account, as well as signs of fraud in the system of accounts. So as to maintain the balance in the system, we decided to reset the entire position of the members at 0 at the midnight on the November 23rd. After that, you can manually rearrange your team. We apologize for wasting your time and thank you for your patience. So basically what this is that, yeah, some folks out there, what they do, they create different accounts, and just to take advantage of the referral system. And I guess they have some way of finding that out and fix that. So they're just basically removing those accounts or whatever. So that's what that message was for. So this is what the platform looks like. Pretty simple. I like it. It's pretty clear. The colors are nice. So you got here my referral. You got here the landing, this nice graph. So this is just the account. We got the wallet, which is where you can deposit your Bitcoin. So again, if you are interested in this platform and you thinking of investing, I would recommend sending the money early. So that way you are sure that the funds are there and they're available, because the Bitcoin network isn't reliable. So it might be working fine right now, but in 7 days, or that this is supposed to start, so in 6 days, it might all go down the toilet, and the network might be just crazy slow, and it might take you days for the funds to get there. The fees might be high, whatever. So just get ahead of the game and just send your funds there, and then they're there, and you know they're there, and you can then don't have to worry about it anymore. So you got the exchange here. The link for the exchange doesn't do anything. This is the network. So for the referral stuff, so there's nothing. So they use the network tree. Okay, great. So I already have here someone on my team. I don't know what this is for. I guess this is just a test system, so I shouldn't have anyone anyway. Anyway, so this is what the page looks like. So this is another one ICO I just wanted to let you know about, because I'm very interested. I'm shopping for December ICOs. This one caught my eye, and I think you should take a close look to it. But as usual, just read everything, make sure you understand what you're getting into, see if this fits your strategy for investing, and if you feel comfortable and you have the funds that you can afford to lose, then I invite you to join me on my team. Use the link below and register, open an account, and then invest. I believe this will be a good platform, and that will make us us money. In the end, which is what we're all striving for in this space. So if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section. Press the like button to subscribe to my videos, and press the bell button if you want to be notified of new videos. So that's all I have for this ICO. More to come. It's a busy month, and I'm sure I'll find some more to talk about. That's all I have. Peace out.